You dare go back to hell and back.
Oh, you're smart not touching the chip. Okay, that wasn't nearly hot enough.
Oh, it's still kicking in. I'm powdered.
Aaron's gonna be really disappointed in this video.
Oh, there it goes. Oh, that's gonna get real hot.
Well, the eyes are getting the water a little bit.
Oh yeah, no, this is
It's pretty hot.
it's pretty good.
Don't you want some water or something? Milk?
Milk?
Yeah, I think a glass of milk.